Doing some testing here with the Crestron Air Media. So that's the transmitter. This is the receiver down here. It's just powered by a PoE switch that I've got connected. So from the Neat board 50 I'm testing with, I've got HDMI and USB-A going in to the Air Media receiver. On the front you can see it's got the HDMI light and the power light. So yeah, they're the only three cables I've got. PoE providing power and network connectivity if you need it. I have tested without PoE and just using the supplied power adapter. So it doesn't need to be network connected. And then the two cables going up to the back of the Neat board here. So that's a USB-C cable. So this cable is USB-C to USB-A at the Crestron receiver. And obviously just a HDMI going into the content ingest port on the board 50 there. So at the moment we are just running native Teams, nothing happening. If a user wants to just walk into the room and do local presentation, they can just have it in Teams there, connect the dongle. You can see the dongle start lighting up. It'll go green when it's paired with the Air Media receiver. And we're just doing local content sharing. We're actually in BYOD mode because the Neat board is set to go into automatic BYOD mode. And you can turn sharing or USB peripherals on or off. That's the USB peripheral, that's content sharing. So if you stop content sharing, it stops everything. So you can see the board was in automatic BYOD mode. I'll just unplug that and start again. I'll just show you what I mean. On the slide out menu here, you can see we can go into manual BYOD mode. So currently it's just back in Teams. Over here in Neat Pulse, the settings for my board 50 are here. And if I scroll down to the settings under System, I've got USB connectivity set to screen share and BYOD mode and automatic BYOD, so it's nice and easy for the user in the room. I did try using USB extenders, but it turns out that doesn't need to be enabled. The Air Media does a good job of stopping the signal as soon as you tell it to or disconnect it. So that's all the settings you need on the board 50. Let's plug in again. So this time we just want to run a Teams meeting. Or this could be a Zoom meeting. So we're just going to run a BYOD meeting from the laptop. So say you wanted to run a Zoom meeting. So yeah, we're content sharing. The board 50 has gone into automatic BYOD mode. I've just got my Teams client here on my laptop because I haven't got Zoom signed in, so I just try Teams. It's the same thing. I'm just starting a meeting from my laptop. Obviously everything is being mirrored automatically to the board 50, which is good. You can see straight away it's using the board 50 camera, and the first time the user does this is the same with all BYOD. They have to select the Neat board, or in this case it's going to show up as Crestron Air Media because that's doing it. You have to select that for the speaker and mic the first time you do it, but after that, every time you connect, it automatically connects, so it's nice and easy for the user. Click on join. And then yeah, we're in a meeting. So that's super easy for BYOD mode. Then when the user's finished, they just click on leave. We're still connected because the Air Media is connected. We've just left the meeting, and then the user just finishes their meeting, disconnects, and the board 50 goes back into native Teams mode, ready for either a native Teams meeting or for the next user to come in and use BYOD mode.